1968 Ford Limited Broom. Price: $14,750. Location: Texas. The 1968 Ford Limited Broom is the kind of classic American luxury car that instantly commands attention the moment it appears on screen. Finished in its original Raven black factory paint with a matching black interior, this massive full-size cruiser represents an era when American automakers built cars that were long, wide, comfortable, and impossible to ignore. Every chrome detail, every body line, and every inch of this Ford tells a story from the golden age of Detroit muscle and luxury. The heart of this giant machine is a powerful 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the smooth and effortless driving experience people loved in the late 1960s. The upgraded Holley 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust system give the car a deeper and more aggressive sound that perfectly matches its bold appearance. Even today, hearing this V8 rumble to life feels like stepping into a completely different era of American automotive history. The front design of the 1968 Limited Broom is one of its most unforgettable features. The hidden headlights blend beautifully into the massive chrome grille, creating a futuristic look for its time. Combined with the full-length chrome trim, polished bumpers, and classic white-wall tires wrapped around 15-inch steel wheels, this Ford looks like something straight out of an old Hollywood movie scene cruising through downtown America at night. The interior of the Limited Broom focuses entirely on comfort and relaxation. Massive bench seats, a push-button radio, soft suspension, power steering, and factory air conditioning transform every drive into a smooth luxury experience. Ford engineered the Limited line with extra sound insulation to create a quieter cabin, helping this car compete with more expensive luxury brands during the late 1960s. It's not just transportation, it's a rolling living room on wheels. The upgraded aluminum radiator also adds modern reliability to this vintage machine, making it more practical for long drives and weekend cruising events. The trunk even includes a full-size spare tire, showing how these classic American cars were designed for real road trips across the country. This is the type of vehicle that turns every gas station stop into a conversation because people simply don't see cars like this anymore. The 1968 Ford Limited Broom remains one of the best examples of classic American luxury from the era before downsized sedans took over the market. With its massive size, deep black finish, powerful V8 engine, and unmistakable road presence, this car delivers everything collectors and classic car fans love about vintage Detroit engineering. At just $14,750, this incredible survivor offers style, history, comfort, and old-school V8 power in one unforgettable package.